Hello everyone. Goodwill presents one of the stocks in focus for the month of August. Adani Ports and SEZ Limited can be bought at price of 802 rupees for a time period of 3 months for a target of 895 rupees. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone is in the business of development, operations and maintenance of port infrastructure, port services and related infrastructure development, and has linked multi-product special economic zone and related infrastructure contiguous to port at Mundra. The company has reported a high cargo across all the ports, and it achieved a cumulative growth of 11% for financial year 2021. Adani Ports is a large-cap company with market capitalization of 172,952 crore rupees. Company has a beta value of 1.79, which indicates that the company is more volatile than the benchmark index. The face value of a company share is currently 2 rupees. Return on capital employed for the company is 9.61%. Let us now look at some fundamental ratios for the stock that will help us paint a clearer picture. Price to book value for the company is 2.99 times. Price to earnings ratio for the company is 25.71 times. Debt to equity ratio stands at 1.11, which indicates that the company is borrowing more capital from the market to fund its operations. Returns on equity ratio is 11.64%, which is quite good. Earnings per share, better known as EPS, is 24.58 rupees. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited has declared 20 dividends since September 12, 2008. In the past 12 months, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited has declared an equity dividend amounting to 5 rupees per share. While announcing the fourth quarter and year-end earnings for the period March 31, 2023, Adani Ports Board of Directors recommended a dividend of 5 Indian rupees per equity share of 2 Indian rupees each, for the financial year 2022-23. The dividend payout is worth a whopping 1,080 Indian rupees crore for the company in financial year 2023. At the current share price of 801.05 rupees, this results in a dividend yield of 0.62%. Coming to the technical aspect of the stock, Adani Ports and SEZ is currently trading at around 801 rupees. We consider buy level at the current market price, and our objective is projected to be around 895 rupees, which give us a potential gain of around 12%, while the stop loss can be held at 724.85 rupees. And as we can see on weekly time frame, the 3 white soldiers pattern occurring over 3 days indicating a very strong bullish signal and shows a steady advance of buying pressure. In addition, we can see strengthening momentum of RSI indicated in purple. Hence we can look out for an uptrend for the stock. Currently, the resistance levels of pivot point are at 823 and 861, while the support point shall be at 761.2 level on the daily time frame. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.